Hello, my gingerbread and jelly bean. I'm smiling because the sun is out. Yes, after 5 days of rain, pretty much, the sun is out. No, it's a bit overcast, so it's actually good for me. I'm making this video. No, I just want to say welcome again to JVLOGS. Thanks for tuning in again to another episode, another video. So today I want to talk about unappreciative people slash ungrateful people. No, I want to talk about in the aspect of being in a relationship with, being in a friendship with a person that is unappreciative or ungrateful per se. No, when I say this, I'm talking about persons that you have been in a relationship with or you're friends with, that you have been encouraging, you have been trying to guide them, you have been trying to show them, better alternatives, better way of doing things, giving them advice. It could be whether it be stop smoking or stop doing drugs, whatever it is. You're trying to make their life better by encouraging them to do good things. Now, people like this and what I've experienced, they don't appreciate what you're doing for them. They don't see it as you being helpful to them, even though you are genuinely, you are trying to help them and trying to encourage them to do good. No, a lot of people might, argue with you, cuss you out, say that it's their life and they can do whatever they want to do and you shouldn't tell them what to do. You're trying to control them. These are, the words that they have used in the past to describe your way of trying to help them. I'm not saying that I'm perfect or anyone else is perfect, and sometimes the way that you approach certain situation might be different. It might come across as offensive to some people, but at the end of the day, the base of it is you trying to help them to be a better person. You trying to encourage them to do good and to not go down the path of destruction. So the funny thing about this story is that after you have been in a relationship or a friendship with them and then you have left that person's life completely, whether it be you break up or them break up with you, once you have depart from that person, you then, if you have checked back with them, you have realized that they start to do the things that you told them to do, the same things that you encourage them to do while you were with them or while you were friends with them. They start to do the things after you have left their life. So what does that tell you? It simply tell you that they didn't appreciate you while you were there. They didn't appreciate you while you were with them and encouraging them. Now they start to reflect and look back at their lives and see that, oh, that this person was honest to me and they're trying to help me, so I'm going to try and change. No, I think that's the wrong way to go about it. Why not appreciate a person that's trying to help you while with you, so you can actually build a bond with that person and do better and work together, rather than doing it by yourself and finding it harder to do. You see, look at the two, not having that strength with you and having it. Which one would you choose? So the point I'm trying to make is that they're not appreciative, they're ungrateful per se, and it is really sad. Now, for the person that was trying to help the next person or help their partner, it means that you have made a choice and you're better off now than being with that person that you're trying to help, because you're at this level and you're trying to help them to be at your level, but they don't want that help. So what does that say to you? You need to get away from that person or get away from that situation and just keep going forward with your life. Because if that person really cared about you and wanted you to be around them, then they would conform and actually look into themselves and acknowledge their wrongs and their mistakes and try to make it better. So that does show you that you don't deserve that person don't deserve you, and you have made the right decision to actually move on with your life. So for me personally, I have done that in the past quite a few times, and I'm still a good person, and I think I'm better off not having to deal with people like that you have been trying to push, and they're like you know, they're stubborn, they don't want to go forward in life, they just stagnant, and it is really sad. But yeah, tell me down in the comments below if you enjoyed this little discussion that we had. Share your views down there in the comments as well. Let me know how you feel about this topic. Let me know if you have experienced this. Let me know if you have been a victim of an ungrateful person. They treat you bad after you try to encourage them and show them love. Let me know in the comments below. Remember to subscribe for more videos like these. Subscribe and share to JVLOGS Mark Plunkett. I'm starting to sweat. I just had a shower and this is not good for me. So peeps, I'm out. Enjoy JVLOGS. Subscribe, share. I'm out.
No, no, no.